Welcome to Apex in 5 minutes, and this is today's user story. Update an account using Postman. So, fortunately, I have already integrated Postman in a previous video. So, I'll just quickly go over how to integrate Postman. You would first have to check that you allow authorization, OAuth 2.0 to be specific. So, this will just make it easier for you to log into to Salesforce securely. So you won't have to every single time enter your login details. It will be already set up and automatically do so safely using OAuth 2. Next, you're going to have to go to your external client apps, go to settings, and create a new connected app. And if I go to the connected apps, so you would have to now create a new connected app, name it, and connect it. Yeah, you'll have to connect it there. So just watch a previous video that I've created where I've shown the entire process. So you would have to now create a connected app. And what would then happen is that when you create this connected app and then you click on manage, and it will send a email to your email address that is connected to this org, and you will be provided with a, let me quickly just see, then you will be provided with a client ID and a client secret ID in your email, and then you would place the client ID and client secret password in here. And the username is the username of the org. For the password, you put in the password of the org, and at the end you will put in the security key. So how do you get the security key? So you would simply, no, not set up, but you would go to settings, click on reset up there, but by quick find, click on reset and reset my security key. So you will just basically place reset security key, and then that security key that will be sent to your email, you simply just put it at the end of your org's password. Click get new access token, and then you will be good to go. And access token URL. You simply just direct Postman to where your token is. So, and you'll have to say that the grant type is password credentials because you're using your password credentials, and that is all. So, since the question is to update an account using Postman, and we are currently already connected, so what we're going to have to do is, so we already have a collection Salesforce integration. So what we're going to have to do is update it, and to update something in Postman, you have to patch it. Patch means update in Postman. And next thing, since the question is asking us to update an account, we need to we need to basically direct it to the accounts in our Salesforce org. And let's quickly just do that. But before that, let's just see if we have any accounts. Full accounts. So we do have a couple accounts, and I'll update S-Force. So I'll update S-Force. Yep. We see all the details. Account name. So S-Force, I'll be updating S-Force. And how this works is quite interesting. So I actually have to first go switch to Salesforce Classic and copy the URL of Salesforce Classic. So I'll copy the URL. I'll paste it over here. Next step now is I need to direct it into the folder or the database of services data. Since we are working with data, we'll state the version. The version is 61.0. Yep. And we are directing into a Salesforce object. So we're going to say Salesforce objects, and we are changing an account, or we are updating an account, and slash, and now we need to give account the account ID. So let's quickly just go to accounts and let's select this one, like Salesforce as we discussed. And over here, you can see this is the account ID. And we'll just simply copy this and place it here at the end. Now we'll head over to bodies, to body, click raw, make sure JSON type is selected so we can actually make the adjustment using JSON. Next, we are going to now indicate which field we would like to update. So, and instead of S-Force, we're going to say S-Force updated by Postman. Okay, so let's quickly see what works. Send, did it work? I wonder. Let's see. Patch. Seems as though it worked here based on the console. So there's two ways to check it. So we could physically go to the org. So I'll just literally go to the org and see whether it was updated or not. We just, yes. And as you can see, the name has been updated successfully. The other option is we could literally, the other option is we could verify it. So how do we verify it? We could we could change this to a get. So get means we are getting something, and we leave everything as is, and we simply just press send, and we should actually see the account name here at the bottom. So you see what does as expected. We just move this up a bit. Okay, master name. Oh yes, yeah, perfect. So as you can see, we've pressed get, and we've actually we've retrieved the name S-Force updated by Postman. Thank you for watching.